Welcome to Math with Professor V. Here is your latest integral of the day. We have the indefinite integral of tan inverse of the square root of x dx. So go ahead, pause the video, try it on your own first. I'm going to jump right in. The minute I see that we have an inverse trig function, my mind starts going, oh, probably going to do integration by parts. It's just a little more complicated because we have a composition with another function, the square root function. And honestly, you could take it two different paths. You could just jump into by parts right away, and then you would have to do like a u-sub later, or you could do the substitution first, and then the by parts is just a little more straightforward. Up to you. I'm going to make a substitution first, but you honestly don't have to. I'm going to go ahead and let t be the square root of x, and then don't differentiate to find dt yet. The cleanest way to do it is to square both sides first. It'll make your life so much better. So t squared is equal to x. Now let's differentiate. 2t dt equals dx. Boom. So now let's rewrite our integral. We have tan inverse, not of rad x, but of t. And then dx is just all of this, 2t dt. Nice, right? Nice and relaxing. Okay, so now it's time to use by parts. And I'm going to set it up. Remember, u is going to be your inverse trig function when you do by parts. And then dv will be 2t dt. And I'm leaving the 2 with it because I can see into the future. Can you? So derivative of tan inverse of t would be 1 over 1 plus t squared dt. And v, antiderivative of 2t, is t squared. Perfect. So now we use our by parts formula. We'll have u times v outside the integral. So I'll write it as t squared tan inverse of t minus integral v du. So this is t squared over 1 plus t squared dt. Very good. From here, I've shown my class this trick a bunch of times. You could long divide, but why long divide if you could just ever so slickly add and subtract 1? Oh, we love that. We love a slick shortcut. So t squared tan inverse of t minus integral t squared plus 1. Let me write an extra step just in case you haven't seen this plus or minus 1 maneuver before. It's just gorgeous. So I'm going to split it up now so that I put t squared plus 1 in the numerator here, minus, and then that lonesome little 1 over 1 plus t squared is its own separate term. But this is great because now I can just integrate with ease. I have t squared tan inverse of t minus integral 1 minus 1 over 1 plus t squared. We know the antiderivative for both these guys, don't we? Yes, Professor V. Oh, good. So t squared tan inverse of t minus, this will be t minus, that's right, tan inverse of t plus c. Now's the time to put the plus c. And then just go back. Remember, we made the substitution that t was square root of x. So let's go back. Square root of x squared, that's going to be x. Tan inverse square root of x minus square root of x plus tan inverse square root of x plus c. Okay, that's option 1. Shall we do option 2? If you just go for the by parts straight away. Yeah, why not? I love options. Option 2. So you have integral tan inverse rad x dx. You go, I don't feel like doing a substitution first. Forget that. I'm a strong integrator. I'm just going to let u be tan inverse of rad x and dv be dx. Cool. Okay, let's take the derivative. So derivative of tan inverse something is 1 over 1 plus the something squared. And then you have to do the chain rule. You have to multiply by the derivative of the something. So derivative of square root of x is 1/2 x to the negative 1/2, which is 1 over 2 rad x dx. And then v would just be x. Okay, so by parts formula time. This goes on the outside. So we'll have x tan inverse rad x minus integral v du, this product here. So I'll have x over 1 plus rad x squared is just 1 plus x, and then 2 rad x dx. How are we doing? We're okay? All right, good. Now let's see, can we clean up? Yes, we certainly can, because this rad x will cancel, and then I just have rad x up top here. Are we on the right track? I mean, I feel reassured because see, we have this same term outside. So we're just taking a different path to get there. So we have x tan inverse rad x minus integral rad x over 2 times 1 plus x dx. Okay, very good. Now from here, we're going to have to make a substitution. So it's like you either do it earlier or you do it later. So remember, rad x is the square root of x squared. So let's go ahead, let's let t, because I already used up u, be the square root of x. And then that means t squared is equal to x, and 2t dt is dx. Okay, let's make that substitution now. So leave this out here, x tan inverse rad x minus integral. Okay, plain old rad x up top, that's t, over 2 times 1 plus rad x squared would be t squared, and then dx is 2t dt. 2t dt. Okay, perfect. Now the 2's cancel, and then I'm kind of back to where I was earlier, right? So you have x tan inverse rad x minus integral t squared over 1 plus t squared dt. And I'm going to do the same plus or minus 1 maneuver. So then this is x tan inverse rad x minus integral 1 minus 1 over 1 plus t squared dt. So then we have x tan inverse rad x minus t plus tan inverse of t plus c, and then go back, sub in, t is rad x, so x tan inverse rad x minus rad x plus tan inverse rad x plus c. Which way did you prefer? I think the first way was just cleaner. I think I prefer the first way, but please weigh in the comments below. If you did something different, I would love to hear it. So share your solution technique. And what's your favorite integration technique? By parts, trig sub, partial fractions. I like combos, you know, when you need more than one technique. I think it's fun. All right, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. If you need help with integration, I have so many videos on this playlist. You can also run to the Calculus 2 video lectures playlist. I have more full-length video lectures for Calculus 1, 2, 3, pre-calc. I have differential equations, linear algebra, so much more. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok, Math with Professor V. I'll be back sooner than later. Bye, guys.